Hello everyone. Let's take up this set of ratio, proportion, or call it percentages. And this is a very typical set, and it again came in CAT 17, and you can relate it, even the numbers, the table, everything. Okay. So the question is the proportion of male students and the proportion of vegetarian students in a school are given below. In a school, the total number of 800 students, 80% of whom are in secondary education. Okay, and the rest are equally divided into class 11th and class 12th. Okay, students can be male and female, and then they can belong to both non-veg and veg, and sorry, females can belong to both non-veg and veg. So let's draw a table accordingly. We'll draw a table over here. So table for males, female, males, females for 11th, 12th, secondary education. Okay, and now students can be vegetarian and non-vegetarian. So we'll write vegetarian, non-vegetarians, vegetarians, non-vegetarians. Okay, so 80% of whom are in secondary education. So 80% of 800, total number of students are 800. So 80% of 800 is 640, and the rest are equally divided. So what is the rest? 160 equally divided 80, 80. Now we'll use how will we we'll use these numbers in this table to put it in this table. So male in class 11 is 60% or zero point 0.6. So 60% of 80 is 48. So number of females would be 32. Similarly, number of males in class 12 is 55. So 55 of 80 is how much? 11 by 20 of 80, that equals to 44. So it would be 36. Now the total number of males are 0.475. Let's break this down to 475 by 1000 into 800. That is 4 by 5. 4 by 5 of 95. 95 is how much? 380 is 305 for the 2 36 380. So total number of males are 380. So total number of males are 380. Now can we find the total number of males in secondary? 380 minus 48 minus 44. So how much would it make it to? 288. What is the number of females? 800. The total is 800. So 380 minus 800 is 420. Number of females in secondary education is how much then? 640 minus 288. It would be 2, 5 and 3. 352. Fine. Now we'll use these numbers and let's see how we can put it in the table. First, vegetarians. Okay, vegetarians here and here. So class 12, the number of vegetarians are 0.5, or you call it as 40%. So let's name it as A. Let's name it as B. Okay. So we'll be using it. So make it as C, make it as D. A plus B is how much? 50% of 80, that is 40. Okay. What is C plus D? That is 0.55 of 640. C plus D is 0.55 of 640. 0.55 is nothing but 11 by 20 of 640. 11 by 20 of 640. So that equals to 352. Now let's name this as E and let's name this as F. Okay. Now the total number of vegetarians are 0.53. Okay, we have the vegetarians in class 12, we know the vegetarians in secondary sections. So if we can now easily find the number of vegetarians in class 11 because we know the total is 0.53. What is 0.53 of the total? 0.53 is 53 by 100, 53 by 100 into 800, so 4 and 424, sorry, 424. So what would be the number of vegetarians in class 11? It would be 424, that is E plus F equals to 424 minus 352 plus 40. 424 minus 392, 24 plus 8 is 32. Now let's see what the questions are. In class 12, 25% of vegetarians are male. Okay, A plus B. What is the value of A plus B? 40. 25% of vegetarians are male. So A equals to 10. 25% of 40 is what? 10. So the number of vegetarians female would be now 30. Now if this is 10, this would be 34. If this is 30, this would be 6 only. What is the difference between the number of female vegetarians and male non-vegetarians? Female vegetarians 30, male non-vegetarians 34. The difference is of what? 4, which is less than 8. Fine. What is the percentage of male students in secondary section? Male student in secondary section. The total number of male student is what? 288, and total number of student in secondary section is 640. So what is 288 by 640 into 100? So let's cancel it by 4. So it would be 160. It would be 72. 0 over here. 16. It would be again cancelled by 4. So 4 is 118. 4. 180 by 4 is nothing but 45. So this answer. Now let's look at the third question. In the secondary section, okay, secondary section, 50% of male students are vegetarians. 50% of male students. What are total male students? 288. 50% of male students are vegetarian. It means that C equals to 144. What would be this number over here? It would be 144. Now if C equals to 144, what would be D equals to? 350 minus 144. D is nothing but 352 minus 144. Okay. 352 minus 144, that equals to 80208. So D equals to 208. If it is 208, then 352 minus 208 is now 144. Now let's answer the question. Except vegetarian males, all other groups have same number of students. Except vegetarian males. Vegetarian males, sorry, this is 144. Vegetarian males have same number of students. No, it is wrong, because female vegetarians are 208. Except non-vegetarian males. Except non-vegetarian males, all groups have same. No, wrong. In fact, if we observe, we see except female vegetarian, all have same number of students. Except females vegetarian. Except vegetarian females, all other groups have same number of students. So third option is correct. Hope you have answered the question. I hope you have understood everything. And yes, this was an easier set and similar set of set came in cat 17 as we have seen in the demo class. Okay, thank you.
मैं निकलूँ फिर